In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check code frequency in GitHub. Code frequency is a simple way to see how your repository is changing over time, tracking weekly additions and deletions. It's perfect for spotting activity trends, cleanup bursts, or quiet periods in your project. Let's walk through it together. First, head to your GitHub dashboard. This is your starting point for everything across your account. From here, look for the section labeled Top Repositories. It quickly lists the projects you interact with the most, so it's an easy jump to where you want to work. Click the repository you want to analyze. That opens the project's main page. Along the top navigation, find and click the Insights tab. Insights is where GitHub groups project-level analytics and graphs, including contribution activity, traffic, community health, and the one we need today. Within Insights, select Code Frequency. This opens the dedicated graph for additions and deletions across the life of the repository. You'll see a header that reads something like Code Frequency over the history of this repository. Go ahead and click into the graph area to make sure it's active and in focus. If you see multiple options in the sidebar or at the top, choose Code Frequency again to ensure that specific view is selected. The main chart is labeled Additions and Deletions per week. Green represents lines of code added, and red represents lines deleted. The height of each bar shows the magnitude for that week. So tall green bars indicate big feature pushes, while tall red bars often reflect refactors or cleanups. Now, interact with the chart to explore details. Move your cursor across the timeline to highlight specific weeks. Clicking or hovering will reveal the exact number of additions and deletions for that week, which is helpful when you want precise numbers rather than just a visual feel. Try highlighting different points across the timeline to compare busy periods with quieter ones. If the chart supports it, you can also focus on areas of interest by selecting within the graph so you can examine spikes up close. If at any point the view resets or you navigate away, simply select Code Frequency again to return to this graph. Finally, open Chart Settings. Here you can adjust how the data is displayed so it's easier to read for your workflow, such as refining how values are shown or tailoring the visual scale. Small tweaks here can make patterns stand out more clearly. And that's it. With the Code Frequency view, you can